nyawa and is how much you go on the
I see
the rich young kid
sure
oh picture that yeah me tactical bonus
Antoine
who say picture a lot of the times they are photographers and they say yeah pictures here a some pictures we put 2,000 words together which one of them now in the context of Bournemouth as our picture way this picture speaks louder than words now for all means ewo Nhyira TV no picture no and you are Bournemouth or my game now the main camera feed of the game no in the rain everyone should say on the camera never come maybe Antoine Semenyo na Bournemouth players no ebi asusu so Semenyo mo fun form na ba ko ka say Charlie say dey o ya jenkwa anyway rich as a Ghanaian I watch Bournemouth I watched Semenyo and I am so happy. You don't even imagine. Super player. And then you say one of my friends, ex Apple say, Bona Antoine Semenyo was here. And you're similar to Bona Sadio Mane, Botamano, Sarante, and Sana Club, and about Liverpool. Direct. Physical, workaholic, and now he is gradually turning into a clinical finisher. Which you wow, coach is spending on the team. It is as a to show when you work ethics in super. About our defending, in a ball about to treat about bully or physicality or BBR. And coach may like a player for his work ethics, but which the moment you start to add clinical to it. Say apart from a dinner being who start to miss goals there. Which you are moving into a certain zone. And the Emra post-match press conference, Justin Clement say Antoine Semenyo is becoming a world-class player. Because he work ethics in Ngoa. He is becoming a game changer too. Rich, I was so happy. As a Ghanaian,
only Liverpool Is it Antoine Humbo?
Yes. He is turning into a very good player. Very good player. And Emra, Semenyo Kosher for 70 minutes. Semenyo 2 goals, Justin Clement, and so ever share Barco Eka. And since he started 2025-2026 season, Rich Semenyo has 6 goals. 3 assists, 6 goals, 3 assists. That is 9 goal involvement as early as the starting season. Semenyo, your bumpire say, or the form no ever na wakili edwan e Morocco. They are my now Rich, I'm a Bournemouth, I'm only second to team FM Liverpool with 14 points ahead of Arsenal. So we are doing something good. Now, look, I'm a coach, Rich, I think it's going to start about somebody else. To do very well last season, use crucial players because I have small club where they overturn and still be able to bring others in and build like this. Which I know is only a game media, but at the point, full of no one to know who you, especially the starting first half. But it's so Rich, Bournemouth is good and Ayala is doing something good. And then one must say, the next job will be a big one.
Also, I'm Liverpool say, I dare get 2 a bit of
yes.
On defense.
Yes.
That I know man set.
Yes.
It's Liverpool, Chano Machine.
I say, I'm a tick man.
And the man will lose the game now.
Good team. Well coached team. And I love the way almost see elbow, especially with Abantia, your friend Antoine Semenyo. ɛna mehwɛ Sky Sports ɔmo segment bi wɔ ɔmo sports news so a yɛfrɛ the back pages ɛno na ɔmo review the newspapers a ɛbɛba the following day so for instance never program ɛnura no it means ɛnɛ newspapers na ɛbɛba no probably most of the time ɛyɛ the sports stories no ɛwɔ the back pages of Koran Carter so ɔmo na ɔmo attention wɔn ti wɔn ato program ebi no the back pages no nti ɛyɛ sports newspapers na ɛwɔ England no rich ɛni ti bi sɛ majority of the newspapers in England are reporting sports say Ruben Amorim the days are numbered at Manchester United nti maybe the Daily Star sports newspaper okay the major sports page now or say Ruben's red alerts Amorim aware his job is on the line if United can't turn form around and you really expressing which the Mirror Sports so on the front page of almost sports paper I say Amorim I will get fired on one person I can say I will get fired and the pressure boss admits he is set for the bullet if United don't start winning and that is the Mayor also now rich and you know Daily Star also say if you or die for United boss one Amorim time Ruben I won't let the sun go down on me each the moment I need the person best of to say omo report say say we want it's footballer then it means
ebe pamon
so we have a table we do an so now a week we and problem means say athletic mo I report say there have been behind the scenes conversation with coach me said that is Southgate but there was some reservation so be do na ya rich say o do na o bosses ene na wachi anko no ma be say wa na ya
obviously
the signal
e was catch us o yempel by nyanya replacement you dey tena
rich who say me obi ahun ayana me pe emre pa ma enkofo say yemmo mu no mu nyu adwuma Barrich, the last game I watched, I am going to go last game. No?
Hey, Brentford.
Brentford. No. Obi obo come X and in Facebook bia. Mumu game here na go to say I want Manchester United asake Amorim. The reason is simple, Rich. Rich, say coach be here adwuma. Any man you pay. Two things pay. And they assess coach. The ball now hold and then the results. And there are some situations that team need results. But what you tell you, and the ball no and check MFA. They have identity. And what you want to say, you coach ne handprints e team so. Oh, ball no here. There's a goal in there that's my it's born on number one. Marriage on the first basis, born on so Manchester Apart from say when you say Amorim say or three back, not or wing backs, or two central midfielders, two inside number 10s, one striker. Apart from you now say, oh, the information I have on which someone used to say only bubble now. Do you see say players from the park in the truly, actually, your coach will most of them more park in the so. You could clearly see, say, there's a distinction between how the coach and players in the park in the so carry out the play and how the players are playing. Look, and you also catch up what you say. He should go and listen to Oliver Glasner and run the interview here. But show me, if you should be a coach, we're not 4-4-2 da. We're not 3 back da. We're not 4-2-3-1 da. We're not 4-3-3 da. The reason why I always say, a different formation every year of football.
Okay.
You must be fluid with one over.
Sure.
And the habits of the players out parking so. See everyone, or you be there, or me, come on, uncle, when you talk, when you read. Any results now open. There was a players on the pitch for 5 particular game. And you know it here. And see how fluid, or say it's a Crystal Palace elbow more. The man as a coach, you say, you see the fluidity of how this players heavy in faces. And yes, I know 2 and the end of 2 very but 2 na here no no say go for no omo the course say bubble see so what you do is catch a match say I also be bad the chimo ba na you stop courses no the behaviors on the pitch for the players to understand the situation so and here now which let me tell you something me show my goals Brentford and I'm going to say Amorim more typical you know the woman get okay fine 3-4-3 with 2 inside number 10s 2 midfielders say then more wing backs and I'm a 3 back one you are not able to dominate even though they have a square shaped midfield 2 central midfielders 2 inside number 10s into 4 midfielders they are not able to dominate possession and fifi and you only so much against Brentford only team papa bia enti me have bench wa I see players who say this young guy no young English guy quite funny say
Kobe Mainu na
Kobe and a Kobe to bench this one which in terms of English Premier League say who struggle to dominate midfield play possession una dictating player which nobody can convince me say one of the best to bring inside calm control dominance and you are right for the Kobe second way so our Arsenal our Man City our Liverpool our repetition dominating possession he will be able to play some of the games. What a bench. You are struggling to hold on to games. Which say because of formation now you know. Come in and that you should work hard and look. Which self formation now you know. Because he wants to play Benjamin Sesko as a striker. Now over 2 inside number 10s. In area in Momo. And Ahmad. And I say Matthias you know. Now he is forced to push Avante Efeno, Bruno Fernandes to 2 of the central midfielders, no. Which
are restricting no.
Charlie, in the last 3 seasons, no midfielder in the English Premier League and are creating chances at Bruno. Why send him deep?
We didn't go too deep and are restricting we didn't create chances.
It is because Bono, you claim don't think say, and number 8 yeah, and when you are talking about number 8. We are talking about box-to-box midfielders. Oko the street which is Ghana football, they form controllers now. And then we are attacking number 6 no. Number 8 no Kutamu or can't get me down. No, come to bench. Which then I was asking myself, say, why do I want to dominate a game and I will still want to play 3 centre backs? And I can easily pull one of the centre backs and bring Kobe Mainu as my number 8. Play Ugarte or Casemiro as my number 6. And put Bruno Fernandes there. In a simple 4-3-3. Simple 4-3-3. Like this. Into Manchester back 4. Casemiro and also Ugarte as my number 6. Kobe Mainu as my number 8. Bruno as my number 10. Then anyway, I'll spread in Momo, Kuna and Sesko like this. Say, to him, a man help banging the door say, meaning one of the front play. I will put the person there. And to make me Ahmad, make me Kuna, no in Bono as my number 9. Make me Kuna as my number 9. In Momo Ahmad, I can any more to me based on training our form, no, but some Casemiro, no Kobe Mainu, no Bruno as my number 10 reach. I know that I will be able to control and dominate midfield. And so dominating the injury now, then I have the chance. But how pay more now. Tintina play back to me.
Shall we not the game? Tan.
It is like players not break to understand how they must play. You have natural fundamental positions these players can play. Which that is the play. So Oko was the crowd here.
How do you say?
And you are playing it.
Results in it.
Well, was in it again. In all and
should you have been in your
doing for more time. And if maybe rich, young mama say all the newspapers are saying, Charlie, we have to time bomb. So I have also heard the rumors about timing of the sacking and it compensation. Now me tell you so I can say, oh, 12 million is come.
And soon Manchester.
Which
say you better to a papa so.
They say music as a minute. Some of them are here. Remember they say next month. We say ko international kakra. And I think some officers now want to negotiable kakra. So you can look to me I
way akwa to me there. A bread better any communication.
Na me pronounce and pa na urban na me say big time. It's not a man we are so fair. Playing results in it. The no team defending why Amorim must still be at post at Manchester United. But I mean the reason why I don't want to do analysis and say he must win it.
And yet Casatiti.
And still man. And your Old Trafford, you are going international break. And you said you were the last time, no. Sashana, you are going international break, no. We want some time. No one to the uncle and him elbow. Rich. And then you watch games, no. May the fast name to me from. First one, I want to start from this picture. Which I'm going to say, I want to see already, a picture of Anna Slots and Mikel Arteta. Now, a picture of two managers in the pay. And one with their next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games in the Premier League. Which Arsenal, let's start to the Premier League now. They've played some very, very difficult games. Now, after playing those difficult games, so also the points gap between Arsenal and Liverpool, you come back to the league table and 2 points.
Yeah, 2.
We were 15, we were 13. And I want to ask you, Arsenal seems to have played on difficult starting. Bukayo Saka ko injury, Martin Odegaard ko injury, Kai Havertz ko, Gabriel Jesus ko, Owechi Gabriel Magalhaes ako injury, Saliba ako injury. But because of the squad index, they've played through with 2 games, and you can only say the 2 points they were only Liverpool. I game against Liverpool. Which in the next 5 fixtures, shall Liverpool fixtures now? About Chelsea, about Manchester United. Now I come Brentford. Now about Aston Villa. Now about Man City. Look at Arsenal there now. Or about West Ham. No about Fulham. No about Crystal Palace. No about Burnley. No about Sunderland. These are where the dynamics of the league maker. In the long, strong fixtures, difficult ones, how you negotiate. Anyway, I don't know what opponent is so. But also, tricky game, difficult ones. Now, what Arsenal ever benefiting is Rich. Liverpool are about to start on difficult games from a doubting position. This is the first time you could simply say they beat all these clubs. But now they won 2 games. So they are starting a very, very difficult journey from a doubting position. Which and then at the Emirates, Arsenal will beat West Ham.
Okay.
They will beat them. Even though any point of view, US need to buy, you know. The first game of war for team and friend of West Ham should have been a game and a normal circumstances they lose. But on the team that take any one be quiet. Which and yet Arsenal and so.
Okay.
Arsenal will beat team and friend of West Ham. I feel my cousin Mikel Arteta team only be a brain. And yes, our games we say and the best slow or more down. Now to the big one. And then it's here and a slot race. This a man who can and money and indication me. Or say, they tell Liverpool after players the this window they say, on my last season, on my vision, on my assessment of your team, say, we said Trent also on the Conyade. It's also replace it on number 2. When we should games throughout the season now. They are against they played against one block size. And they saw they were struggling to break some low blocks. No? And to solve that problem, they needed to do 1 or 2 additions here and then go on to improve the Liverpool and breaking down low blocks. It's a meeting with foreign vets mobile because in tight spaces, those guys are very, very smart. Who break a ticket, they want a striker, Alexander Ishak in tight spaces, a striker outside the ball. It's any inform you know, additions no way. But which over you know, I was say, even though only some players number, but Jimmy say, in all competitions, over 7 games back, and 7 games number, and to me, for me, almost not to jail the way. Also, no jelly into Odin's AM Kakaka. But that is the main focus in here on those players in the band. Which, for me, I think so what an assault was trying to do. And they say, or trying to communicate to the squad, they say, we a new player, no about here. In very, very difficult games this year, so on which number, not about with familiar faces. And money how they do because obviously they have more time to infuse you into the real Bobono. That is the reason why I think a not good in Bobono. Which are we are on the bench for a vet.
Okay. And play so slide.
Yes. Look, again, a see Liverpool now is here. In the last 2 games, 2-1 against Crystal Palace, 1-0 against Team Efreno Galatasaray. And Liverpool lose 2 games on the trot. They need to react. And so we take one night after Galatasaray. Or see, we keep working together. This is a game they want to use to react. And it has come at the Stamford Bridge. Chelsea team, no. Problem kakere man, they say English. Now, who is a coincidentally many andity office owner I can say, make a chance that you would have been able to do a card. You try and I'm going to do studio harbor. You can't now say,
and then I'm to the tell us, with a Chelsea players who couldn't grab a money red card. Now, play something with those are my record ID.
Which
I'm on 11 points, Reno.
I'm on the probably 11. I say Esteban will need to play on the wings for Chelsea.
Okay.
Which I think said this is a game for Garnacho. Garnacho game we say shooting the power. Big team Liverpool. On certain depth our bench. And see the ball with the female he said, "Say me probably over 90 minutes." Game, you know, Liverpool is expected to put pressure on us because they were in this situation. And so the player was just stubborn on the counter. We need block. Tabono are aggressive with direct football. I think it's a game we say, let's sit in Garnacho money than Gates, than Esteban. They were similar to him, Pedro Neto. It's imagine having Pedro Neto and Garnacho, 2 very aggressive counter-attacking players. When Liverpool want to build on themselves. And look, from Klopp to Anaswat, Liverpool build and there are 2 lateral defenders always will join the attack. And whether a Gurney from Paul, any Turkish, whether Anderson, anybody, don't join. You need two very, very aggressive. And look, Rich, that is the only thing Chelsea everything they are surviving game. If they get Pedro Neto and Ganato right, now Omutimi Shoki, also the thing can say Omiya Cancelo, Lavia, Enzo Fernandez. Now Omutimi standing up to Granit McAllister Szoboszlai. It will 51. Then we are going to have a free play cancelling each other out. Which we all know say Liverpool is not so much concerned about midfield play. Liverpool are always looking for the outlet of Salah and Kodijapu. And when they do that, say only effective. I use a mutu no mutu. I overload some players no one is very, very effective. So the only thing you can do is to play them on the counter. And you need to get Saudi on the right edge. A champion maybe I say there. 90 minutes in the war. And so you Chelsea here, which on your sofa you can't sit here. You need to sit here. And also it's not the edge of your seat.
Okay. World Cup no Ghana and South
Korea. Who say? Namwo Stadium. I think we played that game at our educational stadium. South Stadium and the better chance say you're born a year. Who comes to the war? Who got face tower? Which who last stadium war? Stadium making wired air condition. It's who about this? Who are now do? Which Obi are starting game away. The last 20 minutes. They never Ghana for supporters meeting. None of them to sit for the last 20 minutes.
My share game, says a me feel comfortable at the point. And the ref would didn't work.
And we are
proper suffocation.
Yes, and we are really in the game.
Okay.
Liverpool will be bombarding Chelsea. Chelsea will be counting on counter-attacking players to do the goal, which I think the movie is that I will go for a double chance in Liverpool.
Okay.
I was at the rest one see you see the next 3 minutes. Now, Yanko. Now, we're hunting right in the game. It's too complicated. And over 1.5 China. Newcastle is to Forest. FIFA and say Forest sell bet in the Midfield game. FIFA Midfield game. Midfield game is the last of 6 games. Since I'm supposed to come by on Sheba Kumpo. Arsenal share the 3 or draw with Burnley. What about Sunderland draw? Give us a big basa. Which and yet Amorim going to pressure on the show. The news person say, how do you go from here to here in 6 games? And they are predicting say, so when we are against Sunderland, which and Postecoglou also will be sacked. And so when these people we are, the Telegraph now, the story is here. As Forest consider asking and Postecoglou, some people and Amorim story, is it here? But will we be fair? Not so for us in Obubai Onyadi. But you are saying that the ultimatum game is at Newcastle. Who's saying fair? But we are, sir, anyway, since I game, I think Newcastle Anya crowd should be a draw. Which there's a clear game, Exna. Crystal Palace Echo Hill Dixon. Now, only problem. Who's a Crystal Palace L form bar? But which there will be game beyond the toll on domestic Europe will have. One of the games can be this one. And Everton or to see and or form. It will say we home. And see, someone gave me one break a car. I'm not going to change the train in the first half. You're not going to see half. No one so energy. We are so familiar. Guys, my money is man and Sam planting a bench for one game on Kobo, but still rich. And the or travel almost 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and break a call to myself or Tina. So I was so better. So Everton Crystal Palace game no. And for so sure say Everton Crystal Palace our form. And see obetimi Ashe our. This is Aston Villa Villarreal also almost start pick. I'll give them a double chance in this game, you know. City Brentford, there is only one player game with a hinge on for Foden. When you say City last 5 goals, you must say Brentford, and it's all back to the party there. Then City will have something. Difficult grounds. But wait, since City person say I'm back to contenders, they should win Saturday. So I'll be watching Pep Ochina with Spain in the next 1 minute. Look, Lamine Yamal Sagano. Just a case of Barca Gidi said, Abantiano. First, not on show signs of injury. But since you say India starting bad there, then you need to be managed well.
Sure. Which I agree with them.
Yes, you need to be managed well.
So, into Pranisha's in them.
But when you have to take a answer, I said, I woke up in the elbow. And war as a flag, why a German national team coach that? To not coach at the national team level that. It's an expensive kind of membership issues with a car. But to go direct on press conference, I said, you need your name here. But then the biggest topic was Spain. Which the entire biggest topic he said, I think there's only one tricky game. I am Madrid and Villarreal game now. But no Madrid will go with me. And Villarreal is an open side. So I'm expecting to see a 2-1, 3-2. Some goal galore there. Madrid will edge it because they are playing home against Tiba, your friend of Villarreal. Now which Madrid game, Massa Air report to say, Sisi Yabi Alonso, Diamond to play the Bellingham after Koba, because other player of form, and I must Antoine Semenyo form, and we want to give the young guys. Say someone here, and I am married award. Who go in party and member? Until you say, and Madrid game member against Team F1 and Villarreal, which again the Bellingham is playing the starting 11, and already in England they are discussing why he is out of the English squad. In some way, I think that Barca will win against Valencia. We show 4-1-5-1 last season. Only a team now against Sevilla. Sorry. Yes, only a team now show Bolivia. Sevilla and say yes, so Sevilla be Valencia be no. Sabe Pepe and a debate team. Your friend Sevilla. Even as the page 1, I think said they will win. Then Rich, I let come and so much picky. In the last 3 goals, almost 13 goals. 13 goals in their last 5. In their last 3 games, only cut out a window. Okay. And I think it's a double chance for them. Will do Germany there this weekend and there. Which who is over German table now? Top 4 Bayern, Dortmund, Leipzig, and Frankfurt. Which top 4 this weekend? Okay. And it's Bayern, Airborne, Frankfurt. And Dortmund, elbow team, my friend RB Leipzig. So there are a lot of goals in this first season. Germany not watching the Akubu. And then Saturday ready, betting where they are, and also utility. When I'm sure they are coming down, and also Venus car, or so weird. Sure. It's the 4 way, and then Saturday, Champion. Now, so this can be Champion. Now, this can be a good bottom. First one, quickly, BW. 169 1791A. Second one BW 169 212A1. And the third one BW 169 3AA 3C. Then the last one BW 169 43043. Let's make a screenshot now. So ultimate choice that is good enough for you. So Oko I can see underscore Ayala LXA. Ma posti ewo ho se uko Facebook a bisma ko usu bempa -Ayala ene Ayala Sports Indiano enso ewo Facebook no obenya sa eyinu ewo ho no na watimi afa witina look at the stuff for you na house bitchim